What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mello. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Right now, I have a giveaway going on my channel when I get to 500 subscribers. So I will link that video in the cards above so you can go check that out. Also, follow me on social media on Instagram at Mello'Z_Nailz, both with a Z, just like it is here on my channel. And Facebook is the same, Mello'Z Nailz. And that's it. So what's up, guys? So in this video, as you can probably see from the title, I'm going to be checking out this JC Beauty Concepts beginner kit. I picked this up off their website. I've been seeing a lot about them and I just wanted to give them a try. So I went ahead and bought the beginner's kit. It comes with that one big jar, the 1 ounce, and then you get to choose your color of this smaller size. So I got this one. It's a number 55, and I think on the website it's called like cotton candy or something like that. Really pretty color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just showing you guys everything that's in the kit. It comes with the bonder or primer, and then it comes with the dehydrator. It also comes with the 4 ounce monomer, and it comes with the file. So this kit did not come with a brush, which would have been cool, but I mean, it was only like 30 bucks. So you can't really, a brush is kind of more expensive. So I really wasn't expecting that. But, and shout out to Mello'Z Nailz. She had a discount code in her video. So I just used her discount code and got a discount on it. So thanks, Jamie. But anyway, I just showed you the file. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swatch the two colors for you guys and just kind of give you my thoughts on this kit. Sorry for the noise in the background. My kids are just loud. They just finished school, so they're ready to play. But anywho, now I'm just showing you the brush I'm gonna be using. This is my Pana number 8 brush. I think I got this brush from either eBay or Amazon. I believe it was eBay because I've had this one for a while, but I think it's eBay. But that's a number 8 brush from them. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be right back, get my stuff ready, and show you guys how these worked. All right, guys, so here we go. Now I'm just showing you the color again. This is the number 55. And check this color out, y'all. It is so pretty. Look at that glitter. It's gorgeous. And y'all, excuse my nails, please. I'm going to do them. I have moved. I don't know if I told you guys that. I think I did. I posted it on Instagram. So if you follow me there, you know I just moved, and the moving, the packing, the unpacking, nails were just not, I didn't have time for it. So they look a little rough right now. But anywho, here we go. So this is that, like I said, I believe it's called cotton candy on the website. But these colors, the acrylic works great. This color, it was a little drier than the other color, but I believe it's because of the glitter. I know sometimes when there's a lot of glitter in these acrylics, it does do that. So you just have to keep that in mind and use a little bit of extra monomer in your brush. And it's fine. But the acrylic was great. I mean, for my first time using it, it didn't give me too many issues. It doesn't dry too fast. It worked great. Unlike the Model 1's acrylic that I feel like it dried super fast and it was just super dry, but it was still okay. But I think this is way better. So this is just another acrylic that I probably would buy again. But check this color out, y'all. It is so pretty. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys finish watching this and you get to see the other color because I feel like I'm talking too much now. But anyway, I'm just going to let you guys finish watching. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out my giveaway video. Like I said, it'll be linked in the cards above. I'll also probably put it in the description below for you guys to check it out. Just follow the rules, enter, help me get to 500, please. And also, I'm trying to grow my channel more by uploading more. So I'm going to be uploading 2 videos a week. My days that I've chosen are Wednesday and Saturday. I can commit to at least 2 with my crazy kids at the house, doing school, all that stuff. So I'm trying to commit to those 2 videos a week. So I appreciate you guys for watching, sticking with me. If you're still here at this point, I appreciate it. Okay, I'm done talking now. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Evil on the beat, on the beat. Evil on